Cybersecurity versus cloud security. What's the difference? Imagine this: a hacker sends a phishing email and breaks into your company's internal system. That's a cybersecurity breach. But if the same hacker accesses your company's cloud data because your AWS storage bucket was left public, that's a cloud security failure. Same hacker, different battlefield. Let's understand why and how you can master the right one for your career. In today's video, we are breaking down a question that confuses thousands of IT learners. What's the difference between cybersecurity and cloud security? What is cybersecurity? Let's start from the top. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. It covers everything from firewalls and antivirus software to encryption, ethical hacking, and network monitoring. In short, cybersecurity is about protecting everything digital: your servers, emails, database, even your Wi-Fi network. Think of it as securing an entire city, every street, every building, every door. What is cloud security? Now, cloud security is a specialized branch within cybersecurity. It focuses on protecting cloud environments like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. Cloud security deals with challenges unique to the cloud, like data leaks, identity access management, compliance policies, and secure storage. If cybersecurity protects the entire digital city, cloud security protects one neighborhood, the cloud infrastructure that stores massive amount of data online. It's a smaller scope, but a rapidly growing one, because almost every business today is migrating to the cloud. The core difference here is the key distinction you need to remember. Cybersecurity secures all kinds of systems, on-premises servers to hybrid networks. It's about defending against threats like ransomware, phishing, and malware. Cloud security, on the other hand, focuses solely on securing cloud environments. It's about preventing misconfiguration, ensuring data encryption, protecting APIs, and managing user permissions on platforms like AWS and Azure. In simple terms, cybersecurity protects everything. Cloud security protects everything in the cloud. Real world example. Let's make this real. Imagine a company that stores data both on its internal network and on the cloud. If a hacker sends a phishing email and injects ransomware into the company's internal server, that's a cybersecurity breach. But if the same hacker gains access because someone accidentally left a cloud storage bucket publicly accessible, that's a cloud security issue. Both are digital attacks, but the vulnerabilities and the defenses are completely different. Market growth and career opportunities. Now let's talk about numbers, because this is where things get really interesting. According to Statista, the global cybersecurity market is projected to hit $300 billion by 2030. But the cloud security market is growing even faster, from $35 billion in 2023 to over $120 billion by 2030, as per Fortune Business Insights. Why? Because every company from startup to government is moving their operations to the cloud, and they all need people who can keep that cloud secure. In terms of pay, both careers are highly rewarded. A typical cybersecurity analyst earns around $1 lakh per year globally. A cloud security engineer can earn around $1,20,000 or more, especially with hybrid cloud experience. So if you are looking for growth, both fields are excellent, but cloud security currently has the steeper upward curve. Skills required? Let's look at what you actually need to learn for each. For cybersecurity, focus on network security and firewalls, ethical hacking and penetration testing, cryptography and malware analysis, incident response, and threat detection. For cloud security, focus on cloud architecture and deployment, identity and access management, cloud data encryption and compliance, automation tools like Terraform and DevSecOps. In short, cybersecurity protects the entire company's digital infrastructure. Cloud security focuses on protecting what's stored and processed inside the cloud. Which career should you choose? Here is the million-dollar question. If you are someone who enjoys network protection, ethical hacking, system forensic, go for cybersecurity. It gives you a broader foundation and let your work across multiple industries. But if you are fascinated by cloud computing automation, modern infrastructure, cloud security is the future. With companies rapidly shifting to AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, this specialization is becoming one of the faster growing IT careers in the world. In short, cybersecurity is equal to breadth and flexibility. Cloud security is equal to specialization and future readiness. Whether you choose cybersecurity or cloud security, remember, both are part of the same mission, protecting the digital world. The only difference is the battlefield you choose to fight on. Now tell us in the comments which one excites you more, cybersecurity or cloud security.